Hello, this is the first in a series of training videos that will cover the Overdrive software RIP. Overdrive is available on the Mac and PC. Today we're going to cover the Mac version of the software. Once you've installed the software, you want to create yourself a dock shortcut, and when running the shortcut, what this does is it brings up the Overdrive software. There's two components. You have a job list, a done list, and then there in the job list will be a thumbnail and then sort of a page view. The architecture of the Overdrive software is that it's connecting to any of the drivers that are installed in your Mac operating system, and then for those selected printers you have print environments that you can create where these environments govern how a job will be positioned on the paper and what paper type you're printing to. The first thing to do is start with a new environment. The new environment will cover first the driver settings. The driver settings include your paper size. You can either have a custom managed paper when you're doing borderless, or you can pick from a preset of papers from the driver list. And we do recommend that you use the preset. In newer drivers, you can actually pick the widest paper possible for that printer type. Older drivers, we do find that it's necessary to select the paper that exactly matches. You'll notice certain names like Super A3B, when you hover over the size, it tells you it's a 13 by 19 sheet. From there, you want to select the printer settings. The printer settings are going to automatically have color management turned off. Set the resolution. High speed means bidirectional. You always want to use finest detail. You can then pick the paper type that you'll be using, such as a velvet fine art or proofing paper, and components, premium semi-matte 260. After changing any of these components, you'll see that finest detail gets turned off. Turn it on and turn on 16-bit. Then you need to finish. That has taken care of the driver. These settings here relate to the Overdrive software. So at the page, you're going to set sheet. You'll specify 13 by 19. You can do auto centering, auto rotate files as they are imported. At the color menu, your input profiles will be specified, and if you're going to use embedded, they can be dynamically replaced with whatever is inside the file. Relative with black point comp is supported. Absolute rendering for CMYK proofing. At the output profile, it dynamically picks the media type. 13 by 19 sheet, premium semi-matte 260. That sets your print environment.